Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Nevada. Myself, Kunal Sarma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to discuss about exercise 11, and we are going to study HCF, and this is lecture number 10. So let's discuss problem number question number 3 of part first. Let's discuss question number 3 of part first. We have to find the HCF of these numbers. So first of all, we find the HCF of these two numbers, 256 and 442. And then whatever the HCF we will get, then we find the HCF of these two with this number. So first of all, divide 256 with 442. So how many times? 1 times 256, 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 3, 13 minus 5 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 256, 1 times 186, 0. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 186. Now again, how many times? 2 times 140, 46, 70. How many times? 1 times 46, 4, 2, 46. Again we keep on dividing the remainder with the previous divisor. Okay, divide, and whatever the remainder you get, you divide with the previous divisor. Again divide 256. Again the remainder you are getting, again divide with the previous divisor. Previous divisor was 186. Now similarly we keep on doing this. 24, 1 is 24, 2, 22. Again 24, here 24, 1 times 22, 2, again 22, 11 times 22 will cancel. So our HCF is this 2. So HCF of 256 and 442 is equal to 2. Now the HCF, we will find the HCF of 2 and 940. 2 and 940. So I think it will be divisible by 470. 470 times you will get 940. So if a number is completely divisible, then your HCF will remain 2. So HCF of all these three will be okay. So the HCF of 256, 442, 940 will be equal to 2 is the answer. Okay. Now we will see. Question number 4. See question number 4, part first. Now there are 4 numbers. We have to find the HCF of these 4 numbers. First of all, find the HCF of these two numbers. 726, 1233. How many times? 1 times 726. 13 minus 6 is 13 minus 6 is 7. Now here is 2 0, and you will get 5. Again divide the remainder with the previous divisor 726. So 1 times 507 9 1 2. Now 507, again divide it with 507 2 times 2 times 18, 2 times 2 and 3, 2 to the 4. Again 17 minus 8 is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, it will cancel. Again divide 69 with the previous divisor, 3 times 3 9 is 18, 3 9 is 27, 3 6 is 18, 19 20. So you will get 2 and 1. Now 69, 12 5 is 60, again 9, 12 1 times 9, 3 9, 3 3 is 9. So our HCF is this 3. So the HCF of 726 and 1233 is equal 3. Now we will find the HCF of 3 and 531. HCF of 3 and 531. What you will get? Divide 3 with 531. Again 531, 5 plus 3. How many times? 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 7. 177 times it will cancel out. So again the HCF is, now the HCF of these three number. This three number is 1233, 726, 531 is equal to 3. Now with the HCF of these three, find the HCF of this. Now again divide 3 with 345. It will also cancel out 1, 1 5 times 345. It will cancel out. So the HCF of these four number. So the HCF of this four number will be 531 and 345 will be equal 3. So in this way you will solve this type of problem. Now your homework will be exercise 11, question number 3 and 4. Okay? So you will solve it. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching the video.